Hey guys, in today's video I show the process of creating a luminary concept. Today's content will be a complete class. I will comment on the entire create process from start to finish. We will see how we can create interesting models from simple shapes. If you like the content, subscribe to the channel, leave your like and comment here what you would like to see in the next videos. So let's go to class. Let's start by creating a line. I'm going to duplicate it and only have half of the leads of the cylinder. Now, let's extrude this part. Holding Shift you extrude these edges. Let's create the rods that support the lamp. Add symmetry and then use the chamfer to round it off. I will adjust the topology lines. We go back to the light and we're going to add support line and then add the open sub to soften the shapes. Back with the stem, we add a shell to give it thickness. The process here will be to duplicate the model, delete the edges and only have the upper part of the frame. This way we will create a very interesting layered effect. We will do same process 6 times. So we have 7 stands. This way we will create a very interesting layered effect. Now let's create the support line for the rods. We will do this for all 7 pieces. Here I select a loop using my ring shortcut with Ctrl R. And then use connect edges, which my shortcut is Ctrl C. We add symmetry so that the same occurs at the bottom. Now, we are going to rotate the model around the lights. For this, we will have to change the rotate axis. For this, we go to rotation in the view option, we will change it to peak. We click in your lights and then we change it the last alignment options. Now, we can correctly rotate our rods. I'm going to rotate them all 50 degrees to give it this effect. We add the open sub modifier. I will just change the color of the lights and the model will be ready. Remembering that it can be present in different ways. You can play a lot of these routes and thus obtain a suitable result according to your project. Here, I am returning in the original position and leaving just one open. As an example for you. I hope you like the contents. Until next time, bye!